My name is Tim Hoch. I'm 59. Greenville, Pennsylvania is where I've been for the last 26 years. I had robotic surgery at Trumbull Regional Medical Center. I had cancer in my left kidney, and another surgeon had taken it out because it was full of cancer, and I would say probably within a 2-month period I had gotten a couple hernias where they had stitched me up. The symptoms that I had was burning sensations. It felt like something tore. I have a brother, and he had 2 or 3 hernias himself, and they did it actually laparoscopically, where they actually cut them, and he told me before, he says, man, be careful, this is really painful, really painful. And it took him a long time to get over that, and so that was my trepidation going in. And after talking to Dr. He told me that you don't have to worry about that with robotics.
We explained to him then there is a lot of myths about the surgery and robotic surgery in particular. Basically, it's less painful, the recovery is much faster, and the patient can be returned to the normal activities in a very short period of time.
When I went into his office the first time, he wanted me to understand everything. And he had a little whiteboard, drew everything out, my stomach, what it would be like, what the muscles were like, where they're going to put it under the muscle. So by the time he was done, I knew exactly what he was going to be doing. Nobody's ever done that before.
We proceeded with his surgery. We were able to do everything by minimally-invasive robotic access. He was admitted overnight. He went home the next day.
The best part about the robotic surgery was pain-free. And I mean that. It wasn't that there was pain and suffering there. It was great. So I recommended that to everybody that I know. Now it's like I would have never known I had hernias. I do whatever I've done before, mowing the grass, wheelbarrows, shoveling, starting up the mower, starting up the saws. I really haven't had any problem. Dr. Pablo is the best at what he does. He's like the Michael Jordan of robotic surgeons. He's really good. And the people over at Trumbull Regional Medical Center, unbelievable, just amazing. You go in there and it feels like you went home, just like you've known them all these years. It's wonderful people. I was impressed with that.